Welcome to this training module on the composition and allocation of personnel to fire parties, an essential component of advanced firefighting under the STCW code. In this session, we will explore two core learning objectives. First, we will examine the factors to be considered in organizing fire parties, ensuring that each team is structured for fast, safe, and effective response to shipboard fires. Second, we will describe the duties and responsibilities of each fire party and its members, based on the ship's muster list, ensuring clarity of roles and adherence to the vessel's emergency organization. When organizing fire parties, several critical factors must be evaluated to ensure that the team is capable, coordinated, and ready for immediate deployment. The first factor is the ship's type, size, and layout. The second factor is available manpower. The third factor is the skill, training level, and physical capability of each crew member. The fourth factor involves considering watch-keeping schedules. The fifth factor is equipment location and accessibility. The final factor is coordination and communication capability. Taken together, these factors ensure that the fire party is not only complete in numbers, but strategically composed for an effective emergency response. The muster list serves as the official reference for all crew responsibilities during emergencies. When composing the fire party, the muster list ensures that 1. Roles are clearly assigned. 2. No emergency function is left uncovered. 3. Personnel understand their specific responsibilities and reporting lines. 4. Fire party members know exactly where to assemble and what equipment to bring. By aligning fire party composition with the muster list, the ship achieves a structured, predictable, and coordinated response to fire situations. The fire party leader, often the chief officer or a senior crew member, holds command of the fire team during emergency operations. Key duties include 1. Assessing the situation based on reports from the bridge and fire detectors. 2. Directing the fire party in the safest and most effective approach. 3. Ensuring all members are properly equipped with SCBA and protective gear. 4. Maintaining communication with the bridge or control station. 5. Adjusting tactics based on conditions such as smoke, temperature, and fire spread. 6. Ensuring personnel safety and ordering withdrawal if necessary. The nozzleman is positioned at the front of the fire party, responsible for directing the water, foam, or dry chemical extinguishing agent. Behind the nozzleman, the hose handlers ensure continuous hose advancement, prevent kinks, and manage hose weight and movement. The entry team, composed of at least 2 personnel, conducts search and rescue operations, checks heat levels, operates boundary cooling, and assesses structural conditions. The backup team stands ready to assist the primary fire party at a moment's notice. The boundary cooling team prevents heat transfer and fire spread by applying water to adjacent bulkheads, decks, and ceilings. The support team handles crucial logistical tasks such as 1. Transporting extinguishers, hoses, and spare SCBA bottles. 2. Preparing medical support, stretchers, and first aid materials. 3. Assisting with crowd control and evacuation as required. At the same time, the control station team, usually stationed on the bridge or fire control station, performs vital command and communication functions. Their duties include 1. Monitoring fire alarms and detector readings. 2. Logging events and coordinating information. 3. Relaying instructions between the master and the fire party. 4. Preparing to activate fixed firefighting systems if ordered. In summary, organizing fire parties requires careful assessment of ship type, crew capability, equipment readiness, and communication processes. Thank you for completing this presentation. Continue to train diligently, uphold safety standards, and always be prepared to respond effectively aboard your vessel.